illness. Rare started feeling unwell a few weeks ago, but of course, like many of us, he thought it wasn't anything serious. He went to the hospital on 17th May and did some tests and a CT scan. But the report showed nothing. He went back home. But after a few weeks later, his condition got worse. His wife took him back to the same hospital at 𝐂.𝐄 referral on Monday last week. And upon arrival, the situation became even more serious. The doctors requested a head MRI, which was done. As they were waiting for the results, Rare suffered a cardiac arrest. But fortunately, the doctors were able to resuscitate him through CPR, and he was taken to ICU. When the MRI results came back, it was confirmed that our brother had a very aggressive brain tumor that had already caused significant damage to his head. Unfortunately, at that point, there was nothing much that could be done, and God rested our brother. Peter will be remembered as a loving husband, a devoted father, a cherished son, and a family man.